Good day investors, welcome to the 29th of January 2015. The trade for the day is called Mondi PLC and the code is MNP. Last traded price was at 206 Rand. The action on this trade is to sell it or short it with the objective to trade it from the blue line to the green line. Entry level will be 206 Rand 50 and the target will be 197 Rand 80. Stop loss to be used in this trade is 210 Rand and 85 cents. Looking at current open trades, the open trade is MTN, NTC, Nikkei and CFR. Trades that's been closed is LBH on the 28th of January. Looking at the top 40 index, this is the top 40 shares of the JSE and it's indicated by the blue line, dark blue line. And as you can see, the 5-day moving average is crossing with the 20-day moving average and is still indicating that the market is still in a positive momentum. Looking at the Dow Jones, now on Wednesday evening, they closed 195 points negative. So that was the previous day, and they have actually closed on this green line here. They're currently about 12-13 points negative for late afternoon opening, so a lot of volatility and negativity happened here on the specific index on the American markets. Looking at the J200, that's the top 40 shares on the JSE, you're going to actually see that a lot of things also happened here through the course of the day, where the market was up and down, but it broke up to the 45,000 level. At a stage, this index was about 500-600 points higher, and it actually closed 470 points higher. So there's the breakup, broke this previous level here on the 23.6, and it's on the current high. The current futures are indicating about a 500-point drop this morning, with most of the Asian markets also down more than 1%. So there could be a bit of a profit taking happening here on the specific momentum of this chart. Looking at your banking sector, and if you go and look at Barclays example, you will basically see on Barclays they close on 199 Rand 50. Look at this beautiful breakup here on this specific share, and it actually moved the last 2 days about a lot up. Yesterday 249 cents, and the previous day almost 6 Rand up. So this share is breaking up hugely at this moment. Looking at the Standard Banks, now Standard Bank is trading at 153 Rand. Positive momentum up, broke at 145, went another 10 Rand up the last 2-3 days, trading at 153 Rand 15. Looking at the Investex that we were tracking, and you can see the share went from our 96 Rand 50 level higher to almost 100 Rand, that is 99 Rand 95, so that was a nice 5 Rand movement. Let's go to the telecommunications, and the first one we're going to call up is MTN, also broke up through this 210 level, and it's currently trading here close to 211 Rand 58 cents. So there's a small break up here testing this previous high. That previous high is about 212 Rand 45. Looking at the last movement, this share went to 212 Rand 64, just 10 cents higher than this level here. So we need to see if the traction will start testing that, coming down, or breaking it up to go to the 218 level very soon. Looking at Vodacom, Vodacom went a bit higher as well. They're trading at 136.60. Now I've taken all the indicators away, and I'm just going to call up the Bollinger Bands, and you can see there's the breakup. 136 doing very well at this moment, testing the previous highs as well of April last year as well as November last year. Looking at some retailers, now very important here, Shoprite. Now you can see Shoprite is testing this 184.56, and that's the previous high on the top, still in a positive momentum going upwards. Calling up your Bollinger Bands, you can see it's testing that, and it's testing the previous levels of previous months as well. MPC, that's Mr. Price, broke the new record high again, and the share is currently trading at 267.58, and the share is still in this positive momentum going upwards. Now if you call up your Bollinger Band, also on the top here, we need to see if it's going to start going to the side now after this new records. Willys broke the new record high, sitting on 86 Rand, and that record high is now for the last 5 years. So this share is also sitting on a new high as we speak. Then we need to look at that Exxaro we were tracking very closely, and if you look at Exxaro, it was trading on the side, coming in from 102 to 104, currently back here at 104, so it's in a sideways pattern here, as you can see it. So once I'm going to call up to track closely, it's called CFR, and what I want to do on CFR, I just want to call up a Fibonacci here. I'm going to take this low here, and I'm going to draw it up to that high there. I just want to indicate to you, very important, this should need to break this 99.75 to physically go high in this downward movement as well. To recover, 99.75, currently trading at 97.23. Yesterday, through the course of the day, it was touching that 99.75 level, so it's very important to track it. The low is 95.18, so if this share comes down, breaks this low, it will go definitely lower. But the expectation of the Bollinger Band is still in a downward momentum here, but this is the low of 95.18, and that high of 99.75 is very important to track if you want to see some breakup happening on the share or further breakdown. Enjoy trading.